Do you know how movie sound effects are made? Well, some of them are made by recording the exact thing you're trying to create, like lions and alligators. But many sound effects are made using items you wouldn't expect. For instance, to create the sound of a tree giant, I wrung my hands around a microphone pole to replicate creaking wood. Then I used some dry moss and fake store-bought leaves for the foliage elements. And last but not least, I brought it into my DAW where I added some effects to really bring it to life. And this is how it turned out.